Hi everyone, welcome to iTuitions. In this session, we will look at solving equations, but this time with variables on both sides of the equal sign. Before you start, you must have knowledge of solving equations with the variable on one side of the equal sign and expanding brackets. I have covered this in my previous videos. Have a look in my algebra playlist if you need to. The rules are the same as solving equations with variables on one side. Do the same on both sides of the equation. To get rid of something, do the opposite, which is the inverse operations method. Keep rearranging until you get the variable on its own. The only extra bit of information you need to solve equations with variables on both sides is to get all terms with letters on one side of the equal sign and all terms which don't have a letter with it on the other side. It doesn't matter which order you start in, as long as you systematically move one term at a time. Let's do an example together. 3x plus 3 is equal to x plus 8. This time we've got a variable on both sides of the equal sign. We have one here and we have one here. What we need to do is get the variables on one side of the equal sign and get numbers on the other side. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take away x. By doing this, I've only got 8 left on this side, but then I must do the same on the other side. This gives us 3x minus x is 2x plus 3 equals 8. And now what we have is a variable on one side of the equal sign and a number on the other side of the equal sign. Carry on rearranging until you get x on its own. This cancels out. Do the same on the other side. We now have 2x equals to 8 minus 3, which gives us 5. Get rid of the 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to 5, divide by 2, which is 2.5. Let's have a go at this one. But before we can start solving this equation, we must expand these two single brackets. 8 multiplied by x gives us 8x. 8 multiplied by negative 1 gives us negative 8, which is equal to 4 multiplied by x gives us 4x. 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12. And again, we need to get all the variables on one side and all numbers on the other side. So I'm going to start by taking away the 4x because it's smaller than the 8x, which would make it the most easiest way to do it. As soon as I do this, I'm only left with 12 on this side. Do the same on the other side. Let's write this out again. 8x take away 4x leaves us with 4x minus 8 which is equal to 12. And then let's get rid of the 8 plus 8 plus 8 leaves us with 4x equal to 12 plus 8 is 20. Now you need to get rid of the 4, so you will divide this by 4. So this cancels out. Let's bring the x up here. Equal to, you must divide this side by 4 too. 20 divided by 4 is 5, so x is equal to 5. Let's do one more example together. 6x plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 2x plus 3. On this side, we've got a division, divide by 2. We need to get rid of this first. So we need to multiply by 2. When we do this, this cancels out. But we must do the same on the other side. Now expand this bracket. 2 multiplied by 2x gives us 4x. 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. Let's bring this down. 6x plus 1. Now we need to get rid of the 4x because it's smaller than the 6x. Do the same on this side. This one cancels out. We only have 6 left on this side. 6x minus 4x leaves us with 2x plus 1 equals to 6. Get rid of the 1. Minus 1 cancels out. Minus 1. We've got 2x equal to 6 take away 1, which is 5. Get rid of the 2, so divide it by 2. This cancels out. Divide this side by 2. X is equals to 2.5. Have a go at these practice questions. The answers are in the description box of the video. Good luck. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.